In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix trust this device not showing on iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, the trust this computer prompt can sometimes fail to appear due to a security timeout or a minor software glitch in the new USB-C handshake protocol. So if you accidentally tapped don't trust in the past, or if the iPhone has blacklisted the connection, you have to clear the trust cache. So disconnect your iPhone from your computer, then go over to settings, scroll down and define general. Once you're in general, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Then once you go ahead and click on that, tap reset, which is the first option, and then you're going to see reset location and privacy. Then just enter your passcode. Then once you've done that, all you got to do is reconnect your iPhone to the computer and the prompt should then instantly appear. And sometimes the iPhone needs to see a data request from the computer before it triggers the security prompt. So what you can do is open up your Apple Devices app, click on the device icon, and if it says welcome to your new iPhone, click continue, and this usually forces the pop-up on your iPhone screen. Also, just try a different USB-C cable because it needs to be powerful enough to have data transfer, and if you have it, use the official USB-C cable that came with your iPhone. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something you didn't know about yet.